Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, USDCAD today analysis. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, what we got? Oh my God. Okay, I did not see this last week because I was not trading USDCAD, but now I see what happened. So last week's bullish candle broke above the EMA for the first time since 7th of October. And this is the first time we broke above the EMA in weekly. So this is a massive signal, time will tell. But I think now the dollar should be officially in the uptrend, maybe, okay? Because if you minimize this, you see here, in all these weeks, the USD CAD candle never broke above the EMA. Last time it broke above the EMA was on 7th of October 2024, like on 14th of October, okay? Week starting on 7th of October and ending on 14th. So this was the candle. And now the week which just gone by, we started on 22nd of September, has closed above the EMI. So this looks like continuation of the dollar in the uptrend. That's a very huge, news. I did not see this happening because I was not trading USD CAD last week. Okay, anyways. So I think this is a bullish signal for dollar. Okay. Coming back to Delhi. In Delhi, we have broken the previous high, clear uptrend. Let's get back to 4-hour first. Okay, this is your uptrend. Pull back quite clear, man. Okay, no problem. Simple trade here. We will come until the EMA. Okay, so if you not take scalping short term, look for shorts until the EMA. We will definitely touch the EMA, reject the EMA, and then we'll continue the uptrend. Coming back to Delhi here, Delhi gives me more, it's quite simple, you build your fib levels here. Yeah, 61%, that's great, okay, so 61% is going to be a sexy pullback, so wait for the price to reject this EMA. Price will come until the EMA, okay, it might take few days, maybe this week dollar will be down, but it's still the long term is uptrend. One more reason you can see here why USD CAD might be going up, because this is your head and shoulder, okay? This is your head and shoulder pattern. This is a price reversal, trend reversal rather. So I think we are ready for dollar to go up now, at least in USD CAD. This is a clear head and shoulder I can see. And what I'm telling you right now is worth thousands and thousands of dollars. I don't know why I'm telling you this for free. I'm a fucking idiot, okay? So weekly bullish, it's a bullish breakout. Daily, don't enter buy right now in the daily chart. Wait for the rejection from 3810. As you can see, the EMI, okay? Pull back, nice entry, 1:2 profit, nobody can stop you, okay? This is your fucking, your head and shoulder trend reversal, I think, is happening. Wait for the rejection, enter buy, nobody can stop you from making profits. Only I'm an idiot. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's my fault. I am giving this for free, so it's my fault. Subscribe, like, check out these links, join the free Telegram, check out premium signals if you want, swing trading automation, check out the first link. And maybe I'll stop doing this, maybe I will not. I don't know. I'm just confused. Should I give this out for free? I just have to make up my mind on this because I have to be an idiot for doing this for free. So let's see how it happen. How do I handle myself in the future?